Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about keeping clean. To stay healthy, we have to keep our body clean and follow good hygienic habits. How can we keep our body clean? We can keep our beautiful body clean by do following. We will fall ill. We do not follow these things. Children, this is Amit. See what he is doing to keep himself clean. He is washing hands. First one is washing hands regularly. In this picture, Amit brushing his teeth. We have to brush our teeth twice a day. After brushing, what is he doing? He's bathing. He's bathing. Have a bath every day. Have a bath every day. And after bath, he is combing hair. Combing hair with a clean comb. After that, Amit is wearing clean clothes and rinsing our mouth after each meal. Washing our hands with soap after going to the toilet. Don't use a handkerchief used by another person. Always use mask and change mask twice a day. Using clean bath towel to wipe our body after a bath.